Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and I'm at a home where we just finished up with a patterned concrete patio and sidewalks, and I wanted to show those to you today. So we just wrapped up with the patterned concrete portion of this landscape job. We still have plants to put in, but I wanted to show you an example of what patterned concrete looks like as it's been finished. This was put in by a company called Patterned Concrete by Ray, R-E-Y, and they're located in downtown Plano. This home is over at about Campbell and Hillcrest in Dallas. So this one in the back, this is a patio that was installed, and the nice thing about patterned concrete is it can look like anything from wooden planks to tile, and in this particular case to flagstone. The client got to pick the colors, all the accent colors. And you can see this is just a beautiful job. They started out already with this nice shaded area, and the concrete was a bit broken up and just didn't look very nice. And you can see this just absolutely transformed their backyard, and we can't wait to in the next couple of weeks to put in the landscape and the plants. They'll have a water feature over here in this corner. They'll have plants in the back that are going to soften that fence up, but the feature we want to focus in on right now is this absolutely gorgeous patio area and sidewalk, and the clients are ecstatic over how this looks.